How to install LiveChat on Squarespace. Make your Squarespace chat a reality, with our fully equipped and dead easy to use LiveChat tool. Integrate it with your website and show your customer how exceptional a customer service can be. Add LiveChat to Squarespace. Learn how to add a chat to your Squarespace. Add LiveChat to Squarespace. 1. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and go to Settings. 2. To proceed, go to the Advanced section. 3. From the list of available options, choose Code Injection. 4. Now you should see a code editor. To add your LiveChat window, paste your LiveChat snippet into the footer section. To proceed, click on Save. Get your LiveChat snippet from Settings Installation My Website section of your LiveChat. And done. LiveChat is now added to your Squarespace. All that is left is to provide your customers with exceptional service, closing more deals in a process.